Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Wills. So we've got a case here for the Stylo 4. This is the Otterbox Commuter Series. So this is, even though this is the Commuter Series, it's definitely a little bit tougher than some of the other Commuter Series cases. So it's a lot bulkier. I've actually just been using this, but I've, give you an official unboxing. So you got the two-piece here. You got the thick rubber silicone portion here. You've got the hard polycarbonate one here. So all ports and everything are going to line up evenly. You've got flaps to cover the headphone and the charging port. And this is the microphone, and this is for your stylus and speaker. And on top, you've got one for the canceling microphone. So the other side should be covered. So let's pop this on. Like so. You can see here, little flaps, microphone, speaker, and stylus. Huge cutout here and cutout there. So when you're putting this on, you want to make sure you hook these, pretty much hook them in here. Make sure they're like this first, so you can get them, and you just want to slide it on, and it should just pop right in place. Just like that. And you can adjust your flaps like this. And you can see all the ports are nicely cut out there for you. Still have access to your stylus pen right there. I don't have very long fingernails, but I'm still able to kind of reach in there. They make it easy enough to get in there. And then everything else is golden, man. You got a huge cutout right here, and that sloping design for your fingerprint reader. So when you want to do that, it'll just pop right on, like so. Lots of lip protection. Now there is a tempered glass on here, you got lots and lots and lots of protection around there for lay on the table, if in fact you did not have a tempered glass, but that's your choice. So I would definitely recommend this case at this point. I'll probably give you more cases reviews later on, but for now, this one case is good enough for me. Button placement is right. The phone doesn't feel too bulky. Volume rocker and everything feel good. Win-win. There you have it, folks. Otterbox Commuter for the LG Stylo 4. See you guys in the next video.